This is Sandy, Girl with the Grill, and today we're doing pulled pork nachos. Okay, so we're doing pulled pork nachos from a pork butt that I smoked on the Smoky Mountain yesterday. This is just another great idea for pulled pork. It is so versatile and so delicious, and this is a 10-minute fix. Today is game day in my house, and football means snacks and appetizers and tailgating recipes. This is one that is going to be a huge winner. It'll go over with your friends and family. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my grill to 400 degrees, or you can do it in the oven, whatever you prefer. These are awesome on the grill too. I just have an oven-proof skillet that I'm going to use. Super simple. It is non-stick, so that really helps with the cleaning. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line my skillet with chips, just like that. You can have as many or as little as you want. I like a lot of chips, just like that. Then I'm going to take some of my pulled pork and I'm going to layer it on top of these chips. Oh, it's going to be amazing. I like to use my hands on when I cook, so I'm wearing these gloves. You can use a fork or whatever you want, but we're just going to layer this real good onto my chips. Then I'm going to put a layer of cheese over this. It's going to be ooey gooey and wonderful. Then I'm going to do some thinly sliced red onion, which adds a little bit of sweetness to it, which I love red onion. And then you can use black beans, but I used the pinto beans I made from scratch the other day. I'll put the recipe down if you would like to make your own pinto beans, but we're just going to layer this right on there. These pinto beans have diced tomatoes and green chili and lots of really yummy spices. Going to make your nachos pop. This is amazing. And then this is chopped Hatch Green Chili, which in my house we eat green chili with every single meal. In New Mexico, this is a staple. You don't have to add it. You could do sliced jalapeños really work well too. But this is build your own castle, okay? You can put whatever you want on top of your nachos. And then we are going to put our layer of cheese on here. Just like that. It's going to be so ooey gooey good. There we go. I'm going to pop it on the grill for 400 degrees for 10 minutes until it all melts together and your pork and beans and everything just kind of meld together in this ooey gooey wonderland of nachos. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, 10 minutes to fix, 10 minutes in the oven, easy peasy, so delicious. So at this point, you can put on your favorite sauce. I'm just going to drizzle it with my favorite barbecue sauce. We're going to top it with a little lettuce and a little fresh topped tomatoes. And there you go. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? And it's so ooey gooey. I want you to see this. All right, I'm going to just pull one out. I got to get a piece of the pork, which I'm going to grab. That is delicious. Oh my God, this is going to be a fan favorite. This is Sandy, Girl with the Grill, if you like this video. Oh man, that's so good. Subscribe to my channel. We have done already 3 recipes with an 8-pound pork butt that I did on my Smoky Mountain. We did the pulled pork sandwiches with apple slaw. We did New Mexico style burritos with green chili sauce. And now these wonderful, delicious, phenomenal nachos that you can feed your friends with pride. So here's what I did. I just did pulled pork and a layer of cheese, some of your favorite beans, either the pintos or the black. Topped it with cheese, put it in the oven for 10 minutes, put a little lettuce and tomato on that, and bam, it's done. Thanks so much for watching. Now I'm going to go cheer my favorite team on. Have an awesome day.